Hello, I'm Keith Garvin with KPRC Channel 2 News. Here's some of the stories making headlines. Preparations are underway along the Louisiana Gulf Coast as Tropical Storm Barry is expected to make landfall this weekend. President Trump has already declared a federal emergency for Louisiana. This weekend, immigration raids are expected to target thousands of undocumented immigrants in cities across the United States, including right here in Houston. Harris County Sheriff Ed Gonzalez tweeted he's opposed to the raids, saying in part, quote, "The focus should always be on clear and immediate safety threats." A big-time weekend traffic alert near the Memorial Park area. Beginning tonight at 9 o'clock, the southbound lanes on the West Loop will be closed from I-10 to Post Oak. TxDOT is working on the elevated dedicated bus lanes. It will reopen Monday at 5 a.m. And for our weather, look for mostly clear skies this evening with warm temperatures falling back into the 80s.